Primo Stainless Steel 1-spout bottom load water cooler dispenser. The Primo Stainless Steel 1-spout bottom load water cooler dispenser is considered the best stainless steel Primo water cooler you will find on the market, especially if you can't afford some of the higher end options that are currently available. This water dispenser also comes with 3 different settings for the water's temperature, including cold, cool, and hot options. The built-in touch controls make it very easy to pour a glass of ice cold water or fill up a cup with hot water to make some coffee or tea. This water dispenser is made from stainless steel and only comes in a black color. It comes with a built-in child safety feature as well, and the attractive door attached to the bottom will hide the bottle that the dispenser uses for easy access to water loading. The Primo Stainless Steel 1-spout bottom load water cooler dispenser features a quiet operation when heating and cooling water.